In this video, we will see the concept of string concatenation. So that is, we will try to merge two or more strings into a single large. So let us take a simple example. So let me create two strings. One is called as hello, and let me create one more string called as b, which is equal to world. And now we will see how we will merge these two strings. So to merge two strings, what you have to do? You have to use a plus operator between the two strings. Okay, so a plus b, what it does is, it will read the contents of a and it will read the contents of b, and it will merge the two strings and it will produce a new string. Okay, so you have to remember that this concatenation will create a new string. So it will not make any changes to existing strings a and b. Okay, so for confirmation, we will write print a and print b separately, and we will run this, and you can see hello world is the result of concatenation of two strings a and b, and hello is the content of string a and world is content of string b. Here you can note that there is no space in between this concatenation. That is, concatenation will not create any space between two strings. Okay, just it will read the contents of A and content of B, and it will merge those two strings together. And to add a space, what you have to do? You have to concatenate this string with a space, and then you have to concatenate the result with B. Okay, so I will do like this. So I am creating a string of empty space and I am using like this. So a plus a space plus b. Okay, so what it does is, so first a and the space is being concatenated, and the result of this concatenation is hello and a space. Okay, so this is a new string that is generated, and using this new string I am concatenating with b. Okay, so the result is hello space world. So let us run this code, and you can see there is a space between hello and world. And this is how you use concatenation operation.